Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rose, with Ramp Up with Rose. And so today we're doing a full body HIIT workout, and I used dumbbells for this workout. I did one circuit and I just repeated it. So I did one circuit of all the exercises and then I repeated it again. So I did two rounds of one circuit. Each exercise that I do on here is 45 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest. So it's very high intense. I pushed myself on a lot of these exercises because I was so tired. I wanted to give up, but I didn't. So I want you guys kind of see that part of it as well. Like, you know, where I was getting winded, where I was getting tired, but I still kept going. I still pushed through. So no further ado, we're going to get right into the video. You can follow along and then replay it if you want to do it for two circuits, but it is full body dumbbell workout, HIIT workout. All right, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so I'm warming up with some air squats. No equipment, just up and down squats. So now I grabbed a weight and I'm gonna do some goblet squats. Okay, now I'm on the ground. I'm gonna do some knee in and out, just like an ab exercise. Hands over your head, and then meet your knees, just like that. Now I'm going to do some mountain climbers. Make sure you're holding your core tight when you're doing these. So this is where I'm getting tired, but I'm like, nope, get up, keep going, finish strong. Now I'm gonna jump into some front squats, holding the weights up there by my shoulders, making sure I squeeze when I come up to the top, and pushing through my heels. Now I'm going to do dumbbell deadlifts. The next exercise is a shoulder press. Now I'm gonna do a dumbbell row, like a bent over row. And I'm going up 2, down 2, up fast, down slow, up fast, down slow, slow and controlled. All right, so the next exercise are thrusters, and I'm starting out with a heavier weight because I'm like, I could do this, but then it started to get too much for me, and I don't want to hurt myself, so I went back down to my 10s and started back with those and was able to do those with good form. That's another thing that you guys have to understand, is that I'm always going to choose form over the heavier weight. Like, I want my form to be right. I want to be working the muscles that I'm supposed to be and doing it correctly. So now we go back to the floor. I'm going to do a chest press or a floor press on the floor. Okay, so now I'm about to do a plank roll, but I noticed my hat fell off, so I had to put that back on to preserve my hair. But yeah, these are plank rolls. So you're in a plank position and you're taking turns pulling up each arm. And by this time, y'all, I was so tired, but I was like, nope, let's keep going, let's push through. So you have to be that little motivation in your head when you're working out at home by yourself, that you got to keep going, you got to finish. No half-assing. All right, that step is there because I did do some push-ups, but they was just too bad to even show y'all, but I attempted to do some push-ups. But now I'm doing arm snatches, and I'm going to alternate each arm and do these arm snatches. And last but not least, I am finishing this with burpees. On these burpees too, when I came up, I was like, oh, I missed my jump at the end. So I added the jump as I was going along. And this was my first time going through. Like, there's minimum edits in this video. It's really just to show you guys like how intense the workout is. And sometimes I had to push myself as well. So that concludes the video. I hope you guys will try it out. Try the exercises, try the circuit, and then rest for a minute and do it again. That's what I did. There was a couple of different exercises on there that I did not show. because I didn't record them. But besides the push-ups, I did record those, and they was just horrible. But I'm working on those, and so maybe I'll do some videos of my progression in the push-ups, because I really want to work on those. But I really want to thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel so far. Remember to like, share, subscribe, you know, show your girl some love. I'm really trying to, you know, just document this journey, help people along the way. You know, people that might not want to go to the gym, you know, I have a lot of home workouts that I do. So you could just follow along. I'll start doing longer ones where you can follow along. And also I'll start doing ones without equipment as well, as I noticed that some people don't have equipment at home, but you can still get a good workout in without equipment. So again, guys, thank you for watching this HIIT dumbbell full body workout, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.